Welcome back. In this module, you'll learn two major components that determines the success of your adverts: the highest bid and quality score. Now, let's understand the basics of bidding. Let's say most of us here have started out with our AdWord campaigns. First and foremost, you want to ensure that you spend within your budget, and for starters, it's common to bid your price referring to cost per click, CPC. In this context, CPC simply means that you pay for the amount of clicks on your advert. Google allows you to pay the maximum bid amount of your chosen keyword, or if you have a tight budget to keep, you can always choose the automatic option. Google will automatically select the bid amount for you within your budget, which is known as maximum cost per click bid. Google will then provide you the most possible clicks within your budget. There is no fixed rule for the bid amount that you should be paying. Different people will have different bidding prices, and at the end of the day, it is dependent on these three important factors, which are the type of campaign you're aiming for, the cost of your keywords, the success rate of your keywords. For example, let's say you've set your CPC bid to $1. You own an online clothing line shop and you make $10 from every purchase, and on average 1 in 10 visits results in a purchase. As a result, you only break even as your advertising cost is equal to the profit you generate. Therefore, to gain profit, your CPC should cost you less than $1. Hence, choose a bid amount that works for you in the campaign that you're aiming for. The next factor is the quality score. Before your keywords can reach the results page, Google will evaluate the relevance and the usefulness of your selected keywords for ads. This is to ensure that your keywords are relevant to the users. Google also looks into the quality of your website. For example, if the user types in Converse sneakers and your advert is "Purchase your Converse here," once they click on your ad, they would expect to be directly led to a website selling Converse sneakers and not a generic homepage, which is not good enough and is not what the user wants. You should take into account that a higher bid for an AdWord does not necessarily buy you to your results page display success. As a matter of fact, even if your rival's bid is higher, it's possible that you appear above their ad. The reason being your quality score is better. Higher quality score, lower CPC, so focus on both cost and relevance.